In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a review on Etsy. Whether you've just received a beautiful handmade item or a unique vintage find, leaving a review is a great way to express your appreciation and help other shoppers. Sharing your experiences allows sellers to improve their services and assures future buyers of the quality they can expect. So, let's dive into the process of writing that review. First things first, you'll need to log into your Etsy account. Head over to Etsy's homepage and click on the Sign In button, usually found in the top right corner. Enter your login credentials and press Sign In. Now that you're logged in, find your way to the Your Account section. You can access it by clicking on your profile icon and then selecting Purchases and Reviews from the drop-down menu. This section is the hub for tracking your orders and managing your reviews. Once you're there, you'll see a list of your past orders. Browse through the list to find the item you wish to review. It's important to remember that Etsy enables you to leave a review only after the estimated delivery date. If it's your first time on this page, it might be beneficial to note that Etsy allows reviews to be edited as long as they're within the 100-day review window, starting from the day your order was marked as delivered. When you've located your purchase, click on the Leave a Review button. Now, you'll see an option to give a star rating, ranging from 1 to 5 stars, with 1 representing your least satisfaction and 5 being the highest. Think about your overall buying experience when giving this rating. Did the item meet your expectations? Was the seller communicative and prompt with shipping? Below the star rating, you'll find a text box where you can write out your detailed review. Feel free to share as much information as you think necessary to give potential buyers a peek into your experience. Remember, honesty is key. However, while constructive criticism is helpful, it's always best to maintain a respectful tone. Additionally, a picture speaks 1,000 words. Etsy allows you to upload an image of your purchase, which can provide a greater level of insight to future buyers. Just click on the Add a Photo option, select your image, and upload it. Before submitting your review, take a moment to read over what you've written. Ensure your thoughts are clearly communicated and the information is as helpful as possible to others. Once you're satisfied, hit the Post Your Review button. Congratulations! You've successfully contributed to the Etsy community by leaving a thoughtful review. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide assists you the next time you wish to share your shopping experiences on Etsy. Your feedback is invaluable, not just to sellers but to the entire community of buyers who look up to your reviews for guidance and reassurance.